As the name itself suggests, the type on a path tool is used to write on top of any path. It is somewhat similar to area type tool, but unlike area type tool, which can be used to fit in text inside the shape you draw, the type on a path tool will let you write the text on the path of the shape. Let me show an example. Just draw a circle using the ellipse tool and now select the type on a path tool and click on the path. Now you can write over the path, and when you are done, press escape to commit the change. After you press escape, you will see these two lines which are diagonally opposite to each other. These lines control the movement of the text which is written on the path. Just take your mouse cursor over to this line, and when the cursor changes to show this icon, click and hold the mouse button and move the mouse to align your text however you like. You can even move the text inside this shape using this line if you like. Just move your cursor inward while you keep holding the mouse button, and now the text is inside the shape. If you double click on the type on a path tool icon in the toolbar, it will bring up a dialog box which can be used to customize the text written on the path. You can cycle between different type of effects and adjust the spacing between the text using this dialog box. Not only the type on a path tool works on basic shapes like rectangles, circles, you can draw any shape you like and can use this tool on it.